contemplates a good song must not delay in composing it. But I, alas, who am full of sorrow, how could I make a good one? Yet it does not seem to me, although the joy of love draws me, that a man who reflects on my thoughts could make a bass tune or a mottled word. For I know well that I would fail, and it has not been long at all since I lied to my good hope. So false it was and treacherous, but now I feel myself a sinner through the joy of love that inspires me. For my heart turns to doing deceit, yet I am a true lover. And because she always refines the fair one in whom my heart dwells, and though she drives me beyond measure, I do not at all withdraw my hope from her. Rather I fight with walls of wax, fortifications of hard stone. Noble and of gentle nature, that God, when He made her, would not have made a more beautiful creature. Nor does He make any of such figure, nor did He delight so much in any. For at night when she sits down, she makes the dark chamber shine.